Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatin Akidah binti Razali. My matric number is 067261. So now I want to answer the question about what is the lesson learned from online learning experience. Actually, there are many lessons that we can learn when online distance learning. So, let's go. Firstly, increase higher effectiveness among students because it has many facilities, especially in the learning process. Many materials can be obtained quickly and comprehensively online compared to learning in the classroom. So, it can facilitate for students to find the information to complete their assignments and also be used as reference for them. And go to the lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is can be able to improve the skills and knowledge, especially in ICT, include lecturers and students. For example, in the learning applications that we'll use, such as WebEx or Google Meet. Next, the lesson is fostering a spirit of teamwork and a cooperative attitude in completing a given task, as well as at the same time able to bond between them, even if they have never met face to face. So we can conclude that bonds can be forged well even just online, but it is not an excuse or reason to get to know each other, especially friends in the same course. By online distance learning, physical and mental can be a stress. Why I say that? Because not all of the students can follow their learning process via ODL well per to their factors. For example, number 1, an unconducive learning environment in their house. And number 2, maybe sometimes poor internet access when rain heavily and poor time management to complete their assignments because there are many works to do in their home, such as cleaning the house, helping their parents, taking care of siblings, and so on. Alright, so now let's go to the last point. The lesson learned from the education is create a sense of responsibility in students because with this education, students more to work hard in their studies. Okay, so now I want to give one example. For example, make it easier for students to review their lessons. Students can review a recording of the lecturer in the learning system or Telegram group. When can they do this? If they do not understand or want to review a lesson individually. In a conclusion, it is very clear with this education because we get a lot of good lessons. But some people think that education is a very bad learning process. So, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye!